truck here. So everybody that up here. Craft 34,500 empty weight.
And put in two
Where did I
20s.
put this?
Right in there.
Why are you waking me up, huh? I'm going back to sleep, Batman. Why are you back? Why are you back? What? Alright.
Okay.
Bentley's
Here we go, Bentley. Back to work.
back to work. Oh boy. Ohio doesn't feel like Alabama for sure. It is in the middle of the summertime and it's cold. But grandma said it's my hair. Come on, parents. Let's go. Bentley's back to work. Hi, Bentley. Alright. It's time to put my new bedding. Alright. Are you excited being back to work, Bentley? Hi, Bentley. Are you excited? Hey guys, it's Monday again. So, yeah, our plan was to deliver our load first thing in the morning, but it's not gonna happen. We're still 4 hours and 10 minutes, and I stopped to grab water. So let's. So I'm still in India. Oh guys, the sun is out, and I still have quite a long ways to go. I couldn't decide if I was gonna stop here or maybe wait until I'm past Chicago. But the thing is, might be so traffic, or there might be no parking spot if I go to Chicago and get water over there. So this area is actually nice. A lot of parking spot. Uh-oh, this is one of the places where they set their water outside. Oh, they shouldn't set it there because the water tastes bad after it's set under the wall. So alright, I'm gonna grab large coffee. How much is that water?
$3.79.
What the what? I forgot I'm in Turnpike. Oh my god, I just paid $3.75 for this water. What the heck? So this water is more expensive than diesel and gasoline. Oh my god. So after the inflation, water is still more expensive than diesel. Oh my gosh. $3.75 for half a liter. In my head. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna check my load. I could still not get over how much I paid for that water. So if I do it to the Philippine peso, 375, so that's 5, 10, 15, 150, 170, 180 pesos for this water. Oh my gosh. This is 10 pesos each in the Philippines. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this should be like 60 cents. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I hate this, you guys. For some reason, my Easy Pass is not being detected because of this little roof that I have. So I put it over here. It's not getting detected, so I always have a problem like this. Insert a ticket. So I'm here. I'm waiting for somebody to help me. So that sucks. I hate this. The window's open. Yeah. We're rolling, Bentley. Bentley does not like the stop traffic, huh, Bentley? You don't like it? We stop a lot. Oh, you better not mess up my purse, Bentley. Give it to me. Guys, we got our delivery done, but we have another load. The man is getting me water. I can't believe I paid $4 for water for 6 bottles.
Well, it's a truck stop. Surprised you didn't pay $19 for it.
No, I hope I'm really thirsty, but I wasn't thirsty that time. I was just being proactive. How much am I paying?
30.11. Come on, 20. 10, put in 220s.
Where do I put this?
Right in there. Just put in 220s. Hurry up.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how to use cash anymore. I used to pay cash. Wow, gosh. I haven't sent cash in 5 years. I'm rich. How much was it? 25. So you guys don't sell a pass? Do you guys have a pass that we can buy instead of?
Your company would have to get a pass.
Yeah, so you guys are not under Easy Pass?
No.
Okay, 25. Bentley, I know you smell some fish, but we're not staying here. What Bentley? You like anything? But I was in Canada. 1 minute. I tried to get my Easy Pass. I guess they have a different. I give different. Mackinac bread. Lot of space. Wow. I'm 14 minutes away. There's a truck stop there. Let's stay. Oh my gosh, I was very sleepy. 14 miles, but we're just gonna wake up and then go there. There's a truck stop actually nearby, but I'm really sleepy. I don't look like it, but I was. 5 seconds. It's time to check in. Next stop. I was very fast. I think I'm the only truck here. So everybody are not up here. Alright. I'm here. Honey. Good morning. What's that, sir?
Tell this guy we're 34,500 pounds.
Oh. Who's guy?
The forklift guy.
34,000.
34,500. That's what our empty weight is.
Crap, 34,500 empty weight. Alright, it's time to start. Alright, I'm ready to go. Louisiana. If you want to take me to the nearest steakhouse, I'll take a breakfast steak. What were you laughing at?
The northern woods of
Michigan. Alright, guys, looks like he has a brand new truck, don't it, Donna?
And he looks like he's brand new to this. He said this is for the bullpucky. Did you move?
And he has a.
He sounded like me first started. He's
What's
like,
that?
this is bullshit.
Sounded like you when it first started.
Yeah, he's like, I'm like, this is one of the easiest places.
One of these places, that's right.